we're playing hide and seek on Minecraft. And I'm playing with someone that is named someone. I'm playing with Jerkface from the Cape Bros.
Yes.
13245. And
Jerkface13245.
where are you in your stupid skin?
Me?
Yeah.
Doing the parkour.
What parkour?
I see you.
Park hour.
I'm right here. I'm jumping.
The
I'm
park
jumping.
hour.
Park hour.
Park hour.
It's the park. What hour of the park is it?
You gotta do the cardio and the park hour.
Park
Take a
hour.
left. This isn't really parkour.
Because you haven't reached the parkour part yet.
Yeah, this is parkour. I haven't
like
parkoured so long.
Stair parkour, bro. So intense, man.
Parkour.
You suck.
I just like walked off. I didn't even try to jump.
Wait,
pick your block. Space.
Wait, what map? What map?
Beacon.
Space?
It's Beacon.
Furnace. Furnace
Be a
is
furnace
the best.
too, bro.
Furnace is
Furnace
the best
bros.
to go on space.
They're the furnace bros.
Literally, dude, I've played on space so many times. I know exactly what to do. Follow me.
Oh, I'm the seeker.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Well, that's a first.
I wanna get out of here.
Okay, guys, don't tell him that we're here. He's not supposed to know where I am.
Specifically you.
I see you, Sam.
No, you don't. That didn't look natural.
I saw your name.
That does. Wow. Wow. No, 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 no. Why is he? Yo. Stupid Kevin. Kevin's stupid.
And
He's
Sam.
Stupid.
And Sam got first kill.
No, I'm not. What's 9 plus 10?
21.
21?
Stupid. No, I ain't.
No, I'm not.
No, I not. I see you, Sam.
No, I'm not. Bro.
That hurts. That hurts, Sam. Stop doing that. That hurts. Ow. Ow. Quit hurting my brethren. Actually, I don't even know where you are.
Oh, well, I was smacking a bunch of furnaces around me, so.
Oh.
You're hurting my brethren.
Okay, Sam. Be
What?
honest with me here for a second. Does it really seem the best decision to become a solid block where most people are gonna look? If I were to be a furnace, why would I hide out with where every single furnace is on the map? That kind of makes me a dead giveaway, because that's like the first place people look. Like, bruh.
I'm not even hunting for blocks, I'm hunting for, like, you.
YOLO swag, bro.
YOLO swaggin', YOLO swag.
Swag.
I found one! Ow! Ow!
Get right,
Where are they coming from?
Get right.
I can't even see any. Oh.
Pigeon died. It's like the best name.
What? What's even... What? What's hitting
Pigeon.
me? Oh. I
What
can't
guy's
even.
name?
What's hitting me? What's hitting? No! No.
Yeah.
Not going there.
Man, it's really hard to get comfortable. Drop that. Don't drop that.
You
Oh, no.
dropped it.
Wait,
You dropped it!
I said don't drop the detonator. You dropped the detonator. Now there's detonator on the floor, on the ceiling, on the walls. Detonator everywhere.
There is everywhere.
No.
Did you get got?
Pigeon, I think.
Oh. Well, he got you. I'm sad now.
Sam, you know, I was actually with all those other furnaces.
Yeah.
You literally hit every furnace you saw except for me. I was the only one that you missed.
And
You literally hit right next to my face.
I see how it is. I'm
But
not good enough.
What? Not good enough for what, my love?
I killed one.
You killed one?
Yeah, I killed one.
Good job. That doesn't look normal, but apparently it is.
What, the beacon in your spawn?
No. Anvil on anvil. In a room.
Anvil on anvil action.
Yeah. Let me in on that anvil on anvil action. Is this supposed to be clay? On the ground?
Yeah, it's clay.
Okay. Oh.
Let's find the new one.
5.
5.
Let's join the hive.
Parkour! Parkour! Is that a rock?
Hive
I'll
5.
jump over it.
Parkour! Hardcore parkour, bro. No, Sam, you're ahead of me. Quit it. Quit that. Quit that, Sam. Where even are you? You're
Right
like ahead of
behind
me,
you.
now I don't even see you. Oh, there you
Parkour! Parkour! Really?
What?
I like immediately fell down.
That faucet is having water going.
Ah, one already won. I don't
Animal
even like
Village.
this one.
Oh.
Pick hay.
Oh. What if I don't want to pick hay?
Well, then pick it and deal with it.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Nay. 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 I found a place.
Same spot I was earlier. Whoa, there's like a hay bale. There's 2 hay bales near me. Why are hay bales in this area? It's the worst area for a hay bale.
Nay.
Well, at least I'm a solid block.
I'm not.
That guy just moved me. Come on. A hay bale moved me. Now I have to become solid again. Okay. So what are you, Sam?
A hay bale.
Cool.
Like.
I saw that too. So where are you?
Um.
Are you with a bunch of other hay? Depends how many Y's are on the hay.
Yeah.
With 3 Y's. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, what would you do if you had a crush on a girl and she texts you hey with 3 Y's?
I would just say hi.
Hey with 3 Y's and a winky face.
I would ask her why she said that, and
If she knows what it means. I would ask if she knew what it meant.
This is something we shouldn't talk about.
Probably not. Whoa. That was cool. I was watching a leaf block run, and it went from one color of leaf onto a different color. That was really pretty cool. Oh. I had a game today, too. I wouldn't have been in, though. Man, I really hope I don't die.
What I'm doing is suicidal.
What?
Running around.
I haven't seen you. Whoa, look what Miss Crafter04 said. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you. That's very suicidal, Sam.
What do you mean?
I just saw you running.
I'm standing still right now.
Yeah, but you were just running.
Yeah, like a minute ago.
Oh. A minute left. We shall prevail. I feel like an Agatha Knight saying that. We shall prevail.
Go, have faith. Good shall prevail. He sounds like Adam.
Yeah. Peter the Fire.
Have faith. Good shall prevail.
20 seconds, man.
Dude, we got this.
It's like at 1 second
Oh
left.
my gosh, someone's singing Frozen.
Where? What, in chat or something?
Yeah. Don't you have yours turned on?
No. Well, I have my chat turned on, but no sound.
Well, you know what I mean. Well, that was rather uneventful. So,
Yeah.
I hope you had fun watching. The server IP will be down in the description. Yes, I know our commentary was horrible, but what better do we have? I mean, it's a Thursday night. What are you supposed to be doing on a Thursday night other than watching this video? So, like, comment, and subscribe. Jerkface's channel will be down in the description.
Vice
And
versa.
we'll see you later.
Yeah.